I truly thought this was just going to be another makeup influencer's fancy gag product that didn't do much, didn't deliver, was going to be very basic, and I have been proven wrong. I really have. I got the Drench It, Drip It, Whip It products from Michaela's POV line. These products are not quite K-beauty skincare themselves, but they are inspired and I cannot wait to try them. I've been wanting to try out 2 BB creams and I figured why not try this out underneath it to see how this actually performs. Why try these though? Because if you've been following me, you know that I love fermented ingredients in my skincare. I think they are so good. I think they have so much benefit for your skin in terms of brightening, anti-aging, antioxidant, boosting power, and having that as the prep underneath your makeup can only help, not hurt. So let's try this out. So my face is washed. This is the priming milk. I'm going to take how much I would with a serum and just pat it in to my skin. Feels like an essence would, and as I always do, everything goes in my hands. What I love about this, it has fermented rice water, niacinamide, and squalane, so it's going to be hydrating, it's going to be brightening with that rice water, and the niacinamide acts as a brightener by preventing melanin from depositing into your skin cells all the way at the end of the melanogenesis cycle. And now going in with the Drip It, this is a hydrating brightening serum, so it's got, I'm not touching guys, in case you are OCD about that. So this has niacinamide, it also has that fermented complex, and it has panthenol, it has no mushroom, so you're getting repairing, calming ingredients, you're getting brightening ingredients, you are getting the basis for the glow underneath your makeup. This has such a light feel to it. I would honestly use this as a hydrating serum even if I was not doing any makeup over it. I mean, it's definitely glowy. Let's give it about 30-60 seconds to see if that glow stays or it calms down as it absorbs into the skin. I'll be right back. About 2 minutes later, and absolutely nothing that's wet on my skin, and yet you can see that there's an underlying glow that serum definitely left behind. Like I said, I would definitely use that as a hydrating serum. Next in line is this Whip It. It is the hydrating whipped cream. So you twist it open and there's a little scooper and you just press on one side, it pops out, and that way your fingers don't have to go into everything that's in the jar, which I think is super smart personally. They were not lying when they said whipped. It's cloudy, pillowy. Let's see how it feels on skin. This, just like everything else, also has that ferment mix, which I think is fantastic, having it in all of the layers. It also has ectoin, which I think is one of those super ingredients in skincare these days to help with not just calming, but repair. In addition to all of that, it also has a ceramide complex in it, and that's going to help it be really moisturizing, like your skin's going to soak it up, because ceramides are an integral part of our skin structure. I don't have any makeup on, but just look at how smooth and how hydrated my skin looks. I mean, I don't even know that I need any other primer. That priming milk did its job because there's just no texture. My skin just looks like it's ready for something to go on top of it, or just leave it as is, even if you don't want to do makeup. So I'm going to do a wear test on it through the day, and honestly, I was not expecting to fangirl over this. If I am posting this, it's because I did the full day wear test with these products and I ended up liking this on my skin. I think it did a great job under makeup. If you have any questions, let me know, but for right now, what I can do is 100% recommend POV. Get yours at this link.